tea is good. So today, I'm going to be talking about my fears that I have. And the first fear, I think I have the hiccups. So the first fear is really, really strange. The fear is pretty normal. Like, I'm afraid of the dark. I guess it's not really a fear or anything, but I guess a lot of people are afraid of the dark. I'm mostly afraid of the dark. You know what? 1 second.
10 minutes after not breathing and drinking tea upside down.
You know what? I'm gonna wait to do my fear video till next time because the hiccups, I mean, they're gone now, so that's good, but it's just kind of made the video all about hiccups, so. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you later. I think they're gone.